We become what we think about, said Earl Nightingale. A reminder that positive thinking helps you frame your mindset and changes your life. Hi and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about HTML entities. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. What exactly are HTML entities? HTML character entities are used as a replacement of reserved characters in HTML. You can also replace characters that are not present on your keyboard by entities. HTML entities provide a wide range of characters which can allow you to add icons, geometric shapes, mathematical operators, etc. If you use less than or greater than symbols in your text, the browser can mix them with tags. That's why character entities are used in HTML to display reserved characters. Now let's see how to use an entity. You can use an entity in your HTML document by name or by a numerical character reference. Each entity starts with the symbol ampersand and ends with a semicolon. Syntax. Here's the table of most used HTML character entities. Result, description, entity name. Non-breaking space, less than, greater than, ampersand, double quotation mark, single quotation mark, apostrophe, cent, pound, euro, yen, copyright, registered trademark. Now here's an example of HTML entities. Here the content is written in double quotation marks. Now let's see the output. Great. We can see the double quotes. Combining diacritical marks. A diacritical mark is a glyph added to a letter. Some diacritical marks like grave and acute are called accents. Diacritical marks can appear both above and below a letter, inside a letter, and between two letters. Diacritical marks can be used in combination with alphanumeric characters to produce a character that is not present in the character set used in the page. This is a table containing a few diacritical marks. Mark, character, construct, result. You can see the first column is of the marks. Result is a character which is not present in the character set. Now let's move on to our next point, which is the important HTML entity we might use in the future. Non-breaking space. A commonly used entity in HTML is a non-breaking space. A non-breaking space is a space that will not break into a new line. Two words separated by a non-breaking space will stick together, not break into a new line. This is handy when breaking the words might be disruptive. Examples. Another common use of the non-breaking space is to prevent browsers from truncating spaces in HTML pages. If you write 10 spaces in your text, the browser will remove 9 of them. To add real spaces to your text, you can use the and NBSP character entity. There are many mathematical, technical, and currency symbols which are not present on a normal keyboard. We have to use HTML entity names to add such symbols to an HTML page. If no entity name exists, you can use an entity number, a decimal, or a hexadecimal reference. Here is an example of HTML symbols. So in this example, we are using the rupee symbol, then the euro symbol, and after that, the dollar symbol. Now let's see the output. All the symbols have been displayed one by one. HTML supports some mathematical symbols. For example, for all, partial differential, there exists, empty sets, etc. HTML allows us to use several Greek symbols as well. Greek capital letter alpha, Greek capital letter beta, Greek capital letter gamma, Greek capital letter delta, etc. Some important symbols supported by HTML, for example, are copyright sign, registered sign, euro sign, trademark, etc. So this is it for this lecture. Here's an assignment for you. Create a P element with a message, "This product is of $30. Output should display the dollar sign. I will soon see you in the next lecture. Goodbye and keep learning.